This is how to use your Salva Prover STC Control Panel. Turn your unit on by pressing the power button more than 2 seconds. It will always open up on your program list. From the program list, you can find your all available programs and you're able to create programs. Your standard programs are cold, where you can control your temperature and time, fermentation, where you can control your temperature, humidity and time, slow proofing, which allows to work in lower temperature range than fermentation program, your delayed proving, which is overnight process in a lower temperatures between 9 to 20 Celsius. This process is lower and more natural fermentation. 24-hour controlled proving, which is an overnighting retarding program. This allows you to control the block time and temperature, your conservation time and temp, fermentation stage, humidity, temperature and time, and additional sleeping stage. To play and choose program, choose the program that you wish to run. Make sure that the program is highlighted with the orange color. Go with the arrow, press play, and now you can check your temperature and humidity. Make sure that your set points are right and the program is now running. To stop the program, press stop. It's asking you if you wish to stop the program, press tick. The program is now stopped. To play the controlled proving overnight program, choose the controlled proving 24 hours. Press arrow. If your set points and settings are right, press play. It's asking you for a baking date. It will automatically give you the next day as an option. Press tick. It's asking you for a baking time when you want your product to be proofed and ready. You can go down with the arrows, or you can use the numbers on the control panel. It runs as 24-hour clock. Press tick, and now the program is running. From the screen, you can see the current temperature inside of the prover, and on the right side, the one set point that the prover is now aiming for. If you wish to stop the program at any time, press stop. It's confirming if you wish to stop the baking program, press tick. Now the program has been stopped, and you can return to the program list. To create a new program, scroll down on the program list, press plus sign and the chef's hat. From here, you can create your stages. From here, you can name your recipe by pressing the pencil, ABC. You can name your recipe. You can also add picture if you want. And from here, we create our stages. Example recipe for overnight process by highlighting the first stage and pressing a pencil. We can choose any of the stage from the screen. Example for the overnight process, we start with the block, which freezes your dough. You can choose the time for the blocking. The clock runs as a 24-hour clock. You can choose your temperature, confirm changes. Now we can add our next stage. Press the plus sign. We choose conservation, which is normally your fridge time. If you want it to work with the automatic cycle, press the clock sign. You can choose automatic or infinite. We choose automatic for the process to jump straight away to the proving program. You can choose your temperature for the conservation stage, confirm with tick. Now we add our next stage, which is fermentation. Press plus sign. It automatically gives us a fermentation stage. From here, you can choose your timing for your fermentation, temperature, and humidity. When the ramp is not activated, it means that the prover will try to reach to your wanted proving temperature as fast as it can after the conservation stage. You can turn on the progressive heating ramp on to let the temperature rise gradually instead of heating up all at once. There are two options to set the gradual heating. Automatic. The unit calculates the heating speed for you based on how much the temperature needs to increase and how much time is set for the phase. Manual option. You can choose to set the heating speed by wanted Celsius per hour. Example 10 Celsius per hour. Press to confirm your changes. Now we have created our overnight controlled proving program. From here as an option, you can add a sleeping stage, which will basically help to cool down the chamber after your fermentation stage, trying to help not to overproof your products. Press plus sign, choose the snoozing stage. From here you can control your time for the snoozing stage, your temperature and humidity. To save your changes, press tick. Now we have created our recipe. We want to save the recipe with the tick, and now you can find your saved recipe from the list. To make changes of any of your recipes, find the recipe that you want to make the changes, highlight it with the yellow, and choose pencil. From here, you can choose any of the stages that you want to make changes for, example for fermentation, and from here, press pencil. From here, you can change any of the settings from your time, temperature, humidity, or ramp. Make your changes with a tick, confirm with a tick again, and your changes has been saved. From the bottom panel functions, with the arrow, you can choose to press play the recipe. From the information, you can see all the stages of the recipe. With the pencil, you can do any adjustments and changes to your recipe. With the copy sign, you can copy the recipe and create another similar recipe. And with the trash can, you can delete recipe. You can choose to display your program list by numbers, alphabetically, or by your favorites. To favorite the recipe, just press the star sign. Now you can see it on the top of the list. To go to your menu bar, choose the 3 line on the left top corner. From here, you can go back to your program list. Go to a automatic calendar, which is a time start calendar. From here, you can set up your weekly calendar for specific programs. Just choose a date you want the program to start. Choose program and a starting time. It runs with 24-hour clock. Now this program would be automatically turning on every Tuesday at 3 a.m. If you wish to take it out of the calendar, press the program off, and now it has been deleted from the calendar. Remember that if you have chosen any program on the list with a time, it will then every Friday turn on. So if you wish to delete the program from the automatic turn on, remember to turn it off so that your calendar runs clear. Here, you can find info for your energy consumption for the unit. With the back and forward arrows, you can import and export programs and recipes. To change the language or date and time in your prover, go to the settings page, choose General. From here, you can choose your language, change your date and your time. Remember that during a daylight savings, you do need to change the time manually. Press the time, choose the correct time, press tick, go back with the arrow, and now it's making the changes. If you need to create a lot of recipes or programs, you can optionally create folders for specific programs. Press plus sign, choose the folder. Now you can name your folder, choose tick, and now you can choose the folder and find the recipes in the folder or create one. While you're running a program, you can currently see from the screen current temperature and the set point that the prover is aiming for. At any time, you can change your wanted set point during the running of the recipe. From here, it's currently running on the infinitive timer, so it would be showing you the countdown of the running time. You can also change your humidity at any point. From the screen, you can activate your light inside of the prover or turn it off. Also open your door. From here, you can turn the unit on and off. Confirm to wish to turn the equipment off, and now the unit is turned off.